Hello YouTube, this is Matt with SafeBasements of Minnesota. I wanted to take a minute to point out one of the more common issues we run into with foundations. And that would be a bowing wall. A lot of you have seen it before. Big horizontal cracks in the mortar joint, or you'll look in the corner, there'll be little stair-step cracks going on. This isn't something that would justify a total foundation replacement. We can fix this relatively inexpensive. We have a variety of products, variety of services, and we offer a lifetime warranty on the work that we do. So if you see something like this, if you're looking to buy a home and you want to have us check it out, or if you want to fix your current home, give us a call. Check out our website, www.safebasements.com. We'd be happy to provide a free consultation. So again, horizontal cracks, stair steps, bowing wall, we can fix it. Safe Basements in Minnesota.